hope that our guests feel at home when they come to our yachts at the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection. We think that the work of our designer has really captured this cohesive flow of a private super yacht. Private super yachts often feel like a reflection of the owner's home.
I think the greatest highlights of the suites is that they are designed more like a big private residence rather than a cruise ship cabin. They will have big double vanities, beautiful panoramic views and large generous balconies.
When you think of this size of ship in a super yacht, the owner's suite is typically where a lot of energy and a lot of real estate finds itself. It has its own corridor entrance, 1,100 square feet plus a 500 square foot terrace with a 90-degree view aft. Really, the only place you're going to replicate that is on your own private yacht.
I think the outcome is a very refined but relaxed and casual, elegant design.